candle. Keep your video on and light the candle. Keep your video on and light the candle. Yes, children. Right, light the candle. Nim video on ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. Others also? Others also? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ just observe when you light the gas flame, just observe how it looks, then we'll go for the class. Monish, tell me what is the color of flame?
Ma'am, yellow and red.
Yellow and red. Okay.
Red, ma'am.
Okay. Do you see any blue color?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
in
When
gas,
Yes,
oxygen
ma'am,
will
at
be
the bottom. Ma'am, at the bottom.
ma'am, when oxygen will be more, then the fire, the color of the flame will be bluish, and with less oxygen, it will be like orangish and yellowish.
Okay, good. When you on the gas flame, what is the color, children?
Blue.
Ma'am, blue.
Ma'am, blue.
Okay, then do you see any other color in the candle flame?
Ma'am, yellow.
Ma'am,
Yellow.
yellow, and you can see at the bottom
Blue.
is black. Here, do you get black color?
Ma'am, it's blue.
ಆ wick ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, just above the wick you see. Just above the wick. Okay, light the matchstick and observe whether do you find any blue color. Outer part, observe carefully. Yes, Vishnu. Outer part, light the candle, light the matchstick and observe. Be careful, children. Outer part, is it, what is the color? Outer layer, another E layer.
Blue.
Ma'am, blue.
Okay.
Ma'am, blue.
Yeah. So we can say there are 3 layers of a flame. The outer part is blue. The outer layer is blue.
Yellow. And orange. Orange. Black.
Right? Then the middle layer is yellow, orange. Then the inner layer is black.
Orange. Black.
Black. Black means it is not burning completely. Incomplete combustion ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Keep your matchstick also with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Matchbox ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Matchbox also we will learn about matchbox today. Okay. Yes, children. Yes, Kaushalya is also showing. Vishnu, Jasmita Reddy is showing. Prithvi is showing. Dhanyashree is showing the candle flame. Just see, there are 3 layers. Are you able to see in the candle flame?
Yes,
Can you keep your hand near the candle flame and see where the heat is more? Above? Side?
ma'am. Above.
Above? Okay. Okay, just pass your hand through the flame. Flame touch ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ pass ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಕೈಯ. Heat ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಕೈ?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah?
No, ma'am.
No. What is the reason, children?
Because the black will be
Because you are passing through the black zone where heat is less. Whereas if you are keeping the hand near the outer zone, heat is more. Is it not? Just keep your hand nearby.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you are keeping the hand outer side, you are getting heat. If you are passing through the flame, you are not getting heat. Time is also less when you are passing it quickly. See? Nodu? Alva?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Only with the candle flame you can do this, children. Don't try with the gas flame because that is high flame. Okay, so we can say the outer layer which is blue in color is having more heat. Tell me, children, why this gold smith is there? Not gold smith, you know, Bangara ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಬಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ಲೋ ವಿಚ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೀಟ್ ಟು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ದ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್.
Middle.
Ma'am, middle.
Black. Think and tell me, children. This, as we have learned, outer layer produces more heat. So which layer the goldsmith will use?
Inner layer. Outer layer.
Yes, ma. He uses inner layer not burnt properly. Black it is. You are not getting heat at all. He will, instead of taking 1 hour, he will take 2 hours to make the ornament.
Outer layer.
Yes, he has to use outer layer. This CCT question, it will come like this only, children. Goldsmith or blacksmith uses outer layer. He will blow, no, using one long pipe like structure will be there. Using that, he will blow. Using the outer layer of the flame only, he blows. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why he uses outer layer?
Ma'am, because it is more heat.
Not go, ma'am. More heat is produced in the outer
Ma'am,
layer.
it will melt fastly.
Outer zone of a flame. So that the work will be faster. He can melt the gold. He can make the gold into the shape he wants faster. Okay, children. If you are observing carefully, see, that's why gas flame is blue in color. Food gets cooked faster. The outer layer heats faster because outer layer gets more oxygen. Whereas inner layer do not get much oxygen. It's black in color. Is it clear?
And yesterday you gave one question, ma'am. Why do we wrap blanket if a person catches fire? That answer.
Yes. This continuation it will come. I will ask you. Okay. So now we have learnt the structure of flame, and there are 3 zones in a flame. What are the 3 zones?
Ma'am, outer layer, middle layer, zone layer.
Post zone.
Just send one WhatsApp message. Class is going on. Join fast, Anto.
Outer
Take
zone,
one
middle
screenshot
zone.
and send. Take a screenshot and send. Class is going on. Join fast. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಬರಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತ ಬೇಗ.
Ma'am, show last slide.
Want to see the last slide? Tell them to join the class quickly, all the students. Just send one screenshot with all your activities when you are doing. They will join definitely.
Ma'am, show next page, ma'am.
Next page. Write this. This will be asked in CCT questions. Why goldsmith uses outer layer of the flame
Ma'am, side.
to make jewelry? Because outer layer is the hottest part. Whereas the middle layer is middle heat, medium heat, which is yellow.
Ma'am,
or
little heat.
yes, and the inner layer is black. It is less heat. This all of you note down, children. Outer layer more heat, middle layer medium heat, and then the inner layer less heat. It is black in color. Note it down, children.
Ma'am, show the last page, ma'am.
This only. After this, I'll teach. Children, I had asked you one assignment yesterday, right? One question. I'll ask it when it comes to the content which we teach today. Tell me now, you have taken candle or gas. So this candle or gas is a fuel, right? Candle is a solid fuel. Candle or gas, what you have taken is the fuel. Fuel and the material which burns, right? Fuel is of 3 types. Solid,
Solid fuel, liquid fuel, gaseous fuel. Liquid fuel, gaseous fuel.
gas. Solid fuels are example kodi makla.
Ma'am, candle, charcoal. Ma'am, coal, charcoal, wood.
Charcoal, wood,
Wood.
Liquid fuels are
petroleum, diesel,
Ma'am, petroleum, diesel, kerosene.
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 Kerosene. Okay, gaseous fuel are LPG.
LPG, CNG. Liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas.
Okay, children, any object to burn, any object to produce energy, any object to catch fire, we need number 1 fuel. Fuel idre tane fire catch agodu.
Yes, ma'am.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಶೋಭಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ. We need fuel to for combustion. Then what else do you need, children? You have candle, but can you light the candle without a matchbox, matchstick?
No, ma'am.
Same, ma'am.
Now what you do
ma'am,
is,
with magnifying glass we can light, ma'am.
okay, gas flame you can light. Now just take the matchbox and matchstick and keep separately on your video. Matchbox, matchstick separate ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You can put off the candle now. Matchbox, matchstick separate ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then how do you lit the matchstick now? How do you lit the matchstick, children? Light the matchstick. What are you doing when you are lighting? Just tell me.
I'm rubbing. Rubbing the matchstick side. Rubbing.
When you rub your palm, what do you get?
Ma'am, you
Heat is-
get
Heat.
it will
Heat.
catch
When you
fire.
rub your palm, your palm gets warm. The same way, when you rub the matchstick, it gets heat. Okay. Now it gets little amount of heat. Okay, that little amount of heat makes the matchstick burn. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are keeping matchbox and matchstick, will it burn?
No, ma'am.
ಒಂದ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ match, ಒಂದ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ match ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Burn ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to rub.
What is this word, ma'am?
Right? When you rub it, it will burn. So when you are rubbing it, what
Ma'am.
happens? Yes.
Ma'am, to this side of the matchstick.
Yes, children. About the matchstick also we will study. Matchbox also we will study. When you are rubbing it, what happens is, see, children, you have that red color in the sides, right? Sides
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
red color, that is
Yes,
red.
ma'am. Brown.
That is red phosphorus. When you are rubbing, this red phosphorus gets heated little bit and it is changing into white phosphorus and it burns.
Yes,
It produces heat. So you need to give some amount of heat, minimum heat for a substance, for a fuel to burn. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to give minimum ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ heat ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Heat ಕೊಟ್ರೇನೆ ಅದು ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಂತದೇ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ತಾನೇ.
Yes.
Heat ಗೆ ನಾವು
Yes, ma'am.
temperature, heat is measured in the form of temperature. This is the second condition, that is ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. See, the lowest temperature, write it down children. The lowest temperature at which
Oh,
a substance catches fire. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called ignition temperature. Andre, you have to give minimum heat for a substance to get burn. That temperature is called ignition temperature. So any object burn ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ignition temperature ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ?
Yes, ma'am.
I have done one activity, no? That is, what did you do? Candle flame.
Ma'am, covering
Ma'am, we
glass.
put glass
Yes.
on that.
Yes. Then the,
and it turn off.
Ma'am, show last page, ma'am.
yes. You want to say this? Okay, write down.
Ma'am, next. Ma'am, then first page, ma'am, last page.
Okay, what happened to the flame when you covered the glass with the glass on the candle?
Ma'am, it will put off.
Put off. Why?
Ma'am, over.
Ma'am, because oxygen is less.
Because oxygen
Supply
is
oxygen
Ma'am,
is not
oxygen
there.
is less.
for a substance to burn.
Oxygen.
And oxygen is less and its size is less.
Oxygen.
Good condition as.
Ma'am, oxygen is less.
Its size is also less, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now I will ask you questions. Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar. Ajay. Abhilash. Abhilash. Bhagyalakshmi. Speak, mute, unmute and speak. Bharat.
Ma'am, Abhilash present.
Abhilash, you speak now. Abhilash, tell me what are the three conditions needed for combustion to take place? Conditions for combustion to take place. Just now we studied. You can recall and see. Abhilash, tell me, ma. Abhilash, you need to listen. Though it is online class, you need to listen, children. Akshar,
yes, ma'am.
say, ma, what are the three conditions needed for combustion to take place?
First condition which is needed is the fuel. For
Very
it can be any kind of fuel. It may be solid or liquid gas. And next which is needed is a little amount of heat.
What is the
ignition.
lowest temperature at which a material catches fire? We call that lowest temperature
Ignition
as
temperature. Ignition temperature.
ignition temperature. Then
Next is the most important. The presence of oxygen should be there.
yeah, oxygen is needed. Okay, write this down, children. This only they will ask in CCT, ma, like this kind questions only they will ask in CCT. Write it quickly. Three conditions needed for combustion to take place. Now, Prithvi, tell or anybody can say why
Yes, ma'am.
we cover a person catching fire with a
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, it
ma'am, because when we wrap
Ma'am, because there is no oxygen, so
the oxygen or air will not enter.
yes, when you are covering a person,
From the oxygen will not
And
enter
with
through, and
blanket,
then it
the
will be
oxygen will not enter.
for burning oxygen.
Without
is not-
oxygen,
it will not.
what does the blanket do?
fire
Say,
is not there, ma'am.
Ma'am, it
cuts. I had put
cuts
scissors.
the oxygen.
Cuts off oxygen. So, if you are removing any one condition among these three, the fire will be put off. So, one is when you are covering a person caught fire or any material catching fire, if you are covering it with a blanket, it will cut the supply of oxygen, and anything while burning, it releases carbon dioxide. Right? Carbon dioxide won't allow burning. Only oxygen is needed for burning. So you are cutting the supply of oxygen. Now children, tell me, what is there in fire extinguisher?
It's a carbon dioxide.
Fire extinguisher has carbon dioxide, correct. It has carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide, when it is sprayed, or they have some sodium bicarbonate, once it releases out, it forms carbon dioxide. Okay, this carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen. No. The carbon dioxide is heavier than air. It covers the fire like a blanket. This carbon dioxide covers the fire like a blanket, and there is no oxygen supply there because we are spraying
Covered the blanket.
speed also it goes and covers. It does not allow oxygen to enter. So what happens? A fire puts off. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
ಫೈರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಷರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. either carbon dioxide will be there or sodium bicarbonate. Once you release, carbon dioxide will be formed and it will come out.
Ma'am, in our school they did the practical.
We have in our school we have fire extinguisher.
Ma'am, and they did the practical.
Yes, ma?
Ma'am, and they did the practical.
Ma'am, we have did practical, ma'am,
Yes.
that one.
When your batch is there only it came, no? You have done the practicals. Okay, children, write it
Yes,
down.
ma'am.
Write this from the board.
Ma'am, side please, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am. Ma'am, your device is muted.
Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
In fire extinguisher is nothing but carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, or sodium bicarbonate.
Yeah. Carbon dioxide puts out the fire. By covering the fire like a blanket. Carbon dioxide blanket ತರ fire ಅಲ್ಲಿ cover ಮಾಡಿ cut the supply of oxygen. cut ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, cut the supply of oxygen and carbon dioxide covers the fire like a blanket. Okay, children. This question also they will ask in CCT, ma. Why carbon dioxide is carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguisher ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
Ma'am, because it cuts the supply of oxygen.
Yes.
Ma'am, it acts like a blanket.
ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ once it is released it forms carbon dioxide. Potassium chloride base ಇರುತ್ತೆ. These bases and all release carbon dioxide only once it comes out. Okay children, potassium bicarbonate is also there. Depends on the extinguisher. Some extinguishers have even gunpowder. Some extinguishers have potassium bicarbonate. Some have sodium potassium bicarbonate. But whatever is there, once it is opened, carbon dioxide comes out. Okay children, this question is over. Now, who wants to present Alva? Okay, done. So we have learned why blanket is covered over the fire, because it cuts the supply of oxygen. It cuts the supply of oxygen and put off the fire. Okay children, just draw this figure and write down.
Over, ma'am.
Over children. So we have learned there are 3 conditions needed for combustion to take place. They are fuel, presence of oxygen,
Ignition temperature.
ವೆರಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಇದು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ವುಡ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ನೀರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಂತೂ in villages they do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When it is burning so much, what do they do at home?
Ma'am, they are putting water.
They will put some water.
They will put water.
Yes, sprinkle water.
Why do they put water?
Ma'am, because it will
Stop burning.
water.
Yeah, it will stop burning because the temperature is brought below the ignition temperature. Ignition temperature ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನೇ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ignition temperature ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. So it stops burning. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ 3-4 ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಉರಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎತ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
One or two they will remove. Why?
Ma'am, it will be more heat.
Yeah, why they remove one or two wood? What is that wood called?
Fuel. To
Fuel. They are
remove
removing
fuel.
the fuel, right children? So among these 3 conditions, if you are removing any one condition, the fire will be off. Either you can remove the fuel, just like removing the wood from the burning what is it, stove, or sprinkling water to reduce the ignition temperature. Ignition temperature comes down, stops burning, or fire extinguishers, carbon dioxide. Okay children, in next class we will learn how to put off fire of different origin and what are the types of combustion. Okay, one small presentation I will show. Prithvi, can we present yours in the next class, Prithvi? Is it okay? Or do you want to do now itself? If you want to do it now itself, we can do.
Yes, ma'am. 6th question, ma'am.
Okay then, should I present the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Prithvi will present CCT questions and we'll wind up for today's session. The remaining we will do it in the next class. Okay, Prithvi, just wait for a minute. I'll open that presentation. You are not able to open it?
No, ma'am. We can open but not we cannot present.
Present, you cannot present. Okay. I'll allow you to present. Even then you can't present.
No, ma'am, we can present your screen, not our screen.
Okay. Okay, I'll see just if it opens here, I'll show you this. Wait. Okay, it is in my mail only. For downloads, I will check this. Wait. Scientific literacy questions, Alva.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number?
Ma'am, 6.
Okay. Just a second, I will open. It's opening. Any doubt till what we have learned, children? Anything useful for your life you learned in today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Yes, ma'am.
What
To
you
put up.
Ma'am, put off
Not to
fire.
cut off by blanket so that it will cut off the oxygen.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ
SRV
Nikhil Kumar, present, ma'am.
Yes, children. Let it open. I will show it so that we will present. It is opening. It takes a lot of time to open. Okay. Anything you learned which is useful for your life?
Yes, ma'am. If any person catches fire, we can save him by covering blanket.
By covering a blanket.
But we should also be careful that time. Any elders can do. Tomorrow class will be more interesting. Next class, I will show you more other methods also to put off fire. I will teach you. We'll learn. Okay, children. Question number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
This one. Prithvi?
Ma'am, that one only, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Do. Present.
Question number 6. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Summer is upon us and the mango has made its appearance. Even as pickles, papads, preserves, pulp and powder get prepared for the mango fever days ahead. We only need to sink our teeth into the raw mango of the ripe sweet one for the taste of heaven on the earth. So grab a fruit and let us unravel the marvelous mango mystery. Legend has said it that mango was not only the king of fruits but a fruit of kings. Once upon a time, personal orchards were heavily guarded symbols of status with exclusive varieties of their fruit, cultivated especially for royalty and nobles. Though favored folks were gifted baskets of much sought after mangoes. Mangoes trace their origin to India and Burma, where they have been grown for over 5,000 years. Buddhist monks transplanted it to Malaysia and other parts of Southeast Asia. The Portuguese took it to Brazil and the West Indies. The Persians to the Gulf and Africa. It was only in the 1830s that mangoes first appeared in the United States. The word mango originated from our Tamil make or mange, which Portuguese pronounced as mange till Anglicization made it mango. Legends and fables bring glory to the fruit. Rama took the fruit and gave divinity to Shabari, and the mango leaves are hung on our doorways as auspicious days. Today, over 1,200 varieties of mango trees are grown over the world in the warm and wet climate of the tropics and subtropics. Among the many Indian varieties, the Alfonso or Hapus raised in a small stretch across the Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra is valued for most for its lush sweetness, lack of fibers in the pulp, and long shelf life. Mango trees are evergreen and grow about 60 feet tall, taking up to 4 to 6 years to start producing fruit. World annual production totals 20 million metric tons. Of this, India tops the list of growers. We do export a small fraction to the Gulf region, while Mexico, the second largest producer, is the largest exporter.
Okay.
Ma'am, 6.1 first question. Mangoes originated in option 1 India, option 2 Malaysia, option C Burma,
Tell the
option
correct
D
answer. That
Brazil.
is enough mark.
Ma'am, correct answer is A and C.
Okay. India and no.
Ma'am, India and Burma. Ma'am, second question Kushal and Raj, ma'am.
Burma. India and Burma. Second question, tell Kushal and Raj.
Question number 2. What brings glory to the auspicious fruit? Rama driven the fruit to Sabri to attain divinity. B. Mango leaves hung on house doors on auspicious days. C. Capable of being made into petals and puppets. D. Rich and savory taste. Answer is A and B.
Okay, it is given in the passage only. Next.
Question number 3. How do we prepare ourselves for the mango-less days? Option A, we make mango pickles. Option B, we make mango poppers. Option
Tell me
C,
the answer.
ma'am, all of this.
All of this. Okay. We can make pickles, puppets, mango pulp or mango powder. Okay. Even mango juice is there, na? Yes. Next.
Ma'am, Abhishek is ma'am.
Yes, same. Say, mango was Abhishek. Abhishek, not
Ma'am,
there.
he left. Ma'am, he left.
Somebody else can present.
Ma'am, I only tell, ma'am.
Tell.
Question number 4. Mango was not only a kind of fruits, but a fruit of tints. Why? Answer is only the royalty could savor mango.
Okay. Okay, children. Very nice presentation. Very good. Claps to all of you. Nicely you presented. You'll get marks. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, as the time is up, you can leave and join the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next class, ensure
Thank
that
you, ma'am.
your friends join.